It's here now. We install the base. The first is selection of installation location when installing the base. Take a look at these screw holes. First, is there any keel interference underneath? Can it be locked with screws? What if this has keel interference? We're definitely going to take a look when placing it. For example, I put the machine on it. We have one above us. Lifting platform, it can turn left and right. Did you interfere when turning? Will it hit the railing? This should also be confirmed first. There's another one. We're sure the stick is in the middle with him. That's simulated here. The state of the rods of our machine when it falls. If you fix the knockdown support frame, it happens to be on the inside. About 5 to 10 centimeters, about 5 centimeters above when installing this base. Need to determine the first one. This lock screw, the second platform should not interfere all aspects of railing shot. When the third one is down, it's falling on this handrail about 5 to 10 cm. Although we are above, it's full of holes. Because we can suitable for various ship types, I am afraid that there are keels underneath in all aspects. That's why it's so porous. Actually, don't have to lock it all up like this ship. We are so porous. You see, we're fixed. These 7 screws are enough. What about the force points? You see, the main thing is still this. This is stress, and here we are. 3 more holes were opened. Locked the nut at the bottom. We didn't lock either row, so these screws are enough. Others have no locks. What about after it's loaded? This propeller is at any angle time. Can't hit our boat. This requires special attention when knocked down. This GPS header tries to saline against the inside of this inner boat. Start installation. Our junction box. When we install the junction box, this junction box, it must be better than this platform a little higher. You can't pretend it's so low, right? Spring wire made the steering will be very serious. So I'm higher than this. The outlet is higher than him. When we install the screws, be sure to use screw glue. Or call 704. Suppose are we going to take the machine down so we can unscrew it. After a long time, the screw is screwed in because it's stainless steel. This is aluminum alloy. If there will be sea salt in it, there will be screws that cannot be removed in the future. So let's talk about that. Down with the fixing of this bracket. We will first knock down. Let's take a look at this angle first. What is the approximate orientation of this tooth? This is universal. So let's put it first, take it out, then lock the screw tightly. Then this angle is correct. The screw must be tightened. Screwed to the most depth. Let's put this again. Lock nuts. Tighten the lock nut on it. Our battery, how should it be fixed? What do you think of this? The installation is okay. For example, my junction box. It's fixed now. It's fixed. Let's go here first. The perforator punched the hole. The line has been crossed. Arrive at the anchor warehouse first. Another hole in the anchor compartment. And then to us, the battery compartment. And then to us, the battery compartment. Connect directly our battery. Just plug in the positive and negative electrodes. This is the connection of the machine. Inside the location where we put the battery, be sure to keep it dry where there is no water. There is no humidity. Our battery, be sure to reinforce it. You are like our battery. The back is foamed. Then I use 2 legs, fix it up and down. No matter how you sail, this battery doesn't shake. It's qualified, including the bottom. We are padded, sponge padded, anti-shock absorption treatment. There are also sponge pads added here. Our charger, find a fixed location. The charger is also preferably waterproof, although we are waterproof. But you can't install too low. Try to be as high as possible. I'm afraid of stagnant water in all aspects. What about our charger? This is to go, 220 volts wire comes over. Do you want to make a socket? Make a socket and plug it in. Now, our machines and batteries on the lines are already connected. Now we turn on the power. When we connect the battery, make sure the red of our battery is positive, negative, and 100% sure battery boot. Press down to open. The current battery power has been passed to our machine. Then the machine is long press. A button on an electronic switch, press and hold for 5 seconds to turn it on. Turned red, it's turned on. The machine is already powered on. When powered on, we will hear a drop Bluetooth pairing. Let's turn on the remote first. Press the upper right corner. The menu button is power on. After booting, let's go to the menu button. Scroll down and there is a setting. Scroll down again. There is Bluetooth pairing. Bluetooth pairing and then click on it. There's a Bluetooth pairing. Cancel confirmation. We tangent to confirm, but don't press confirm. Let's wait. We press this, our machine again. A multifunction button. We press and hold for 5 seconds. Hold still. The remote control operates accordingly. Press confirm. We heard a beep. Our plug has turned white. Prove that it matched the machine successfully. The remote control is now matched. The machine is standing up. Let's press the M key first. The M key is a manual operation. Dot we press left and right. Adjust the GPS is parallel to the boat dot. Then we press this button in the upper right corner. Menu key to switch to settings. There is a boat setting dot. We do boat setting dot. Then switch to the confirmation interface. space dot, press confirm. Only I probably adjusted it, calibrated heading once started, now down to the bottom. Let's do it again. Take a look. When the GPS is parallel to the ship dot arrow and this sign of the ship, are they all parallel? If they are all parallel, then leave it alone. If not parallel, then we need to calibrate again. The lower right corner of our remote control, there is a degree display. It's a magnetometer. It is also equivalent to our equipment compass. Compass is APP. It's on with our GPS heads are placed in parallel. Then take a look. The lower right corner of the remote control, this is 101 degrees. And I place this dot. Is it consistent? You're like let's say 104. This one is 97. Within 10 degrees, it's normal. If this doesn't match, then we need to enter menu key. Press the menu button, then scroll down the settings, then click confirm. There is a magnetometer calibration at the bottom. Let's calibrate it. That's it. We press confirm. Now the machine is being calibrated all the time. The machine is also turning left and right. Now let's talk about some of the features of our remote control. We have a circle with this button. There's an anchor sign inside. This is called an anchor key. What about when the anchor key is used? Let's take a look first. This antenna in the upper left corner, is it full? If the state of full grid, we can anchor. Let's press the anchor button now. Corresponds to the remote control displayed icon. The one icon with an anchor inside. So let's talk about the function of fixed point offset. I am in a state of anchoring. Let's say I move 1 meter forward. The machine moves forward further to the original anchor point. Move forward 1 meter. The distance is 0.7 meters. Prove me. It hasn't moved all the way forward yet. We correspond up, down, left, right. It's front, back, left, right. 1 click is 1 meter. You want to press 10. That's 10 meters. This button is our covering water flow. For example, I click cover flow function. Now our machine, it's set at 93 degrees. That's ours. Towards us, this compass. Go to the 93 degree position, 0.2 knots. Moving forward, this button is heading lock. Then this one appears an icon for heading lock. Then we proceed, adjust orientation left and right, such as I instruct. The lower right corner is at 175 degree. Let's turn on the propeller again. It was originally 10 valves. We become 20 gears. We click to, actually, it's 0.5. Let's click again to get first gear. Click again to get 1.5 gears. Click again to be in second gear. The angle we set, that's 168 degrees. It has always been, the course has been locked here. The course has been locked here. We've finished setting it up just now. Let's test the most basic functions of our machine. The remote control has the state of M dot. We can hit the drop button. If there is no M, just press the button and you can press it. For example, press M and M state. We press the drop button. Try it first. Is it normal up and down? Press up and it goes up. Will the ride stop automatically? If you rise to the top, this plus sign, this 0 will display a 1, but it will fall a little bit. It will flash for a while. Now it changed from 1 to 0. Prove that we have been risen to the top. Try dropping again. If S, the same thing going down. Our minus sign will be here. Corresponds to the 1. Has fallen to the bottom. Our minus sign here corresponds to 1. Try again. Let's spin left and right. Let's say I turn right. So our machines turn right. Keep going around. You see, for example, at 270 degrees is our machine angle, also 270 degrees. Try again. Turn left. Same thing. Our machine turns. So our arrows, it rotates together. The location is also followed. The position of the graphics is the same. For example, if I turn left, it's the same. We tested our lift steering. It's normal in every way. Let's take a look at the fourth one again. Follow the angle of the machine. Also 270 degrees. Battery connection. We have a baby elephant electric app. Click on the little elephant electric app. Let's order this. There's a device menu in the upper left corner. Then do a search. Now we have searched. Click to connect this battery. Now the battery is connected. The battery is still 45% charged. Now turn on the propeller. When opening gear 10, take a look at our machine. Is the power corresponding? We now turn on the propeller, open and press. What about the moment you press the propeller? The propeller for remote control is turning, but the gear is 0. It won't turn. We need to add to it. Click this to go forward. It is equivalent to adding a gear. We have turned our propeller to gear 10 now. Start 10th gear. We open this APP. You can see the current power is 320 west. Current is 83A. It can also be accurately displayed. It's voltage. We just demonstrated it again. We turn this propeller. Is it the power matching same as our model? Now, let's explain the record of anchor points. It's called play. So, let's say when I'm locating, I want to record this point. Then I'll press this button, click to confirm. Then we have saved it. How about playback? Click this to play. Not saved. This one is red. After we have saved it, it has turned yellow. Do I want to go back to this point? We'll press 1 to confirm. Switch this to confirm. It will come back to the initial position of the first point. So let's talk about the point scrolling. We are at the anchor point there. And then I can move forward and backward, going backwards and forwards, forward and backward, back and forth. Search for schools of fish. How about the implementation of this function? Press this anchor button first. After pressing the anchor button, this is the positioning of the normal version. It's been fixed there. But let's click again. This overflow key is 0.2 knots. Go straight ahead, but how to set the distance? Let's click the settings below this menu. Here's an anchor distance setting. We have several parameters in it. 6 meters, 10 meters, 15 meters, 20 meters, 30 meters. It means I keep moving forward within a range of 6 meters. I keep going backwards and forwards. Forward and backward by 0.2 knots. I just set it to section 0.2. It can be set to 10 meters forward and backward. This is 15 meters, 20 meters, 30 meters dot. It keeps going forward at a speed of 0.2 knots at 87 degrees. It keeps going back and forth to search for schools of fish. This use of side push function. We can press the side push button. The arrow and boat is our GPS head and boat. Yes, it has already formed 90 degrees. So the state of our machine is 90 degrees. Press this left button and hold still. Our ship is bound for this way. To go right is to go right.